Okay, Richard, welcome. So I'm super excited to have this conversation with you today. So let's start by you introducing yourself and let's talk a bit about what Renegade Brewery does.
Okay, so my name's Richard. I work for as the IT and systems, working on IT and systems for Renegade. We are a sort of medium-sized craft brewery in the UK. We rebranded about 2 years ago now. So we have about 25 years of business kind of overall, but 2 years as Renegade. And we are looking to expand our range of craft beers throughout the UK. So that's where we've got started again, effectively.
That's fantastic, Richard. Now, if we dive into the integration bit, so how long have you guys been working with APPSeCONNECT?
We started the project probably March or April of 2022, and we started using it live in about August of 22. So year and a half, I think, just about.
Yeah.
Yes. So yes.
So what applications are you guys integrating using APPSeCONNECT?
We've got our web shop running on WooCommerce, and then we have our business, the overall business, running on SAP Business One.
All right.
So yeah, the integration is obviously between those two bits of software.
Okay, so are you the guy who is actually hands-on using APPSeCONNECT?
Yes. It's just this side, just me.
Okay, so could you tell us what challenges you were facing before integrating these applications using APPSeCONNECT?
So basically we were having to account for our web sales, the stock movement, the financial side, and also for us the duty, which is tax that we pay on the beer that we sell. We were having to do that manually across probably 20 or 30 orders a day, every day, 7 days a week. So obviously we're only here 5 days a week, but the orders are rolling in every day. So it was a large headache to keep on top of stock, finances, and just an administrative overhead that was taking people's time and didn't need to take any time. So those are the challenges.
Now the big question is how did you guys actually come across APPSeCONNECT? How did you guys find us and why did you choose us?
I think I was looking for software in that space that was well recommended, that was well priced. That must be how I found you.
And can you share a few features or functionalities that you come across while using APPSeCONNECT that has helped you guys or helped you improve efficiency at Renegade?
So probably on a day-to-day basis, the thing that helps the most is the summary report that tells me how many syncs have passed or failed. So that's very, very useful. It's a very visual piece of software, so it's very easy to see what's happening. Probably the best or the most useful piece I found, because I was setting it up, I was involved in the setup of it, was the visual mapping of how the processes flowed. So when I was working with the developer on your side to say, building blocks and following the processes through, that was really, really helpful in getting to exactly what we wanted.
Okay, thank you for detailing that, Richard. And then anything else there is that you would like to add about your experience with the product or the team? You have been in touch with Shoaib for a long time now. So anything about the team or the product?
Yeah, so I think the product's fantastic. It works really, really well. It's easy to track through and understand why. It will tell you what isn't syncing for whatever reason. So that side works really well. And I found the team at your end all fantastic to deal with, particularly because English is not your first language. So there's a language barrier to overcome first. And all of the conversations that we've had have been detailed and technical, and it basically just worked. It's been end to end. I've been really impressed.
Brilliant. Now let's just talk about a bit of the story of Renegade. I came across you guys have a story, and it's you guys are big on sustainability. So if you would like to say something about that.
The story is kind of we had to effectively reinvent ourselves. Where we had come from was a very small, not even regional, like a local brewery that made local beer for local people, which is good to sell to local people, but we'd expanded our capacity so much that what we really needed to do was kind of, appeal to a broader audience. So we kind of had to weave in where our kind of heritage products came from with newer products that would appeal to younger people, basically. And in the UK, craft beer market is growing, and that's the space that we want to be in. So the story is there to kind of articulate our move from, as I say, from a local brewery to a kind of medium-sized national brewery, basically, is where we're going.
Sounds lovely. Good luck with the journey. We just hope that we can be right there beside Renegade throughout the journey.
Yes. Well, yeah, absolutely. In terms of geographical reach of our products, the website has the biggest. So we ship all around the UK. And that's ultimately where our growth will come from. We need to sell to people geographically a long way from where we are. So you'll absolutely be there as part of it.
Okay, would like to thank you for sharing your insights. You've been really generous with your insights, and we just hope that you guys be there in your desired destination. And then moving on, we're looking forward to our continuing partnership, and nothing gives us more joy than seeing Renegade Brewery on its journey towards even greater heights of success and sustainability. So thank you once again, Richard. Thank you for your time.